Hello, this is a demo of how to use the lighting in the Chrysalis space. So you're going to want to start over here to the left of the door. There's a switch panel box over here. The second one from the left cuts on the main house sconces around all of the space. So if you just need some simple lighting, that works great. If you want something a little bit more dynamic, we have a remote here, as well as a few extras up here that will have extra batteries in case this one dies. And we have colored lights up here. If you want to turn these on, get the focus, you press this right button here, aim it upwards, and you'll see it turns on all of these lights. They go all the way around to the other side. And these are programmable with different colors on the switch. So if you want blue, green, you got that. Got all these colors you can choose from. It also has, if you look here, flash mode, strobe mode, fade mode, and smooth mode. So you can mess with these and decide what would work best for your class or your yoga session or whatever you're doing. And you can also just select simple red, green, blue, and white. You can control your brightness with these switches here. And occasionally you'll hit it and maybe one of the bars doesn't turn. If that's the case, just hit the button another time, aim it toward the bar that's not working, and it'll generally work very easily. And when you're done, if you could please turn them off using this button, and there you are. Thank you very much. Bye.